Hello my dear students, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about trading account. जब हम financial statements बनाते हैं, so first account which we have to prepare is trading account. It is a nominal account. So as per the rule of nominal account, we have to debit all expenses and credit all income. So debit side of trading account will start with two opening stock. Whatever stock we have at the beginning of the year, two opening stock. Then two purchases, जो भी हमने purchase करा, that is also an expense. So two purchases will be shown in the debit side. If we have any purchase return, तो हम उसमें से purchases में से deduct करके net purchase will write in the main column. Then two direct expenses. Direct expenses means all the expenses which are directly related to manufacturing part, factory expenses, manufacturing expenses, तो वो आपके debit side में show होंगे. क्रेडिट साइड में अगर आपने सेल करी है, यू हैव अर्नड इनकम, सो बाय सेल्स इफ देयर इज एनी सेल्स रिटर्न दैट विल बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द सेल्स और नेट सेल्स आपका मेन कॉलम में लिखा जाएगा. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, जो आपका एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर आपके पास स्टॉक बच गया है, द स्टॉक विच इज लेफ्ट एट द एंड विल बी शोन इन द क्रेडिट साइड. Now we have to do the totaling of both sides. If debit side is higher than the credit side, we'll have gross loss as balancing figure. And if credit side हमारी ज़्यादा है debit side से, we'll have gross profit as balancing figure. So either of gross profit or gross loss will be calculating through trading account. Thank you.